Hi everybody, this is Kim. I'm back again with another video. Don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up, leave me some comments at the bottom. Today the video is on this new white grape Ciroc. Y'all already know I'm a big fan of Ciroc. No sense in wasting all this time talking about it. We all know Ciroc is a vodka. We know it's distilled 5 times. We know it's gonna have a really good, smooth, sweet flavor. We already know all this. So let's get into this one. I got my shot glass. We're only gonna do a little bit because this is the taste. Damn, I said a little bit and end up pouring a lot. To watch the full video, click the link in the description box or the end clips and it'll take you straight to the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Peace.